It's huge. You see? Kami mo. He's running after the bird.
Yes.
Ito na, laking bayawak. Mga ka-check-in, oh. Kaya ka-check-in, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe or nakafollow sa Facebook natin, please mag-subscribe at follow ka na. Subscribe ka na sa YouTube natin, JGold TV Official. Facebook page na JGold TV. Alright mga ka-check-in, magandang umaga, magandang gabi, magandang tanghali. Depende kung anong oras mo ito napapanood. Papasok ako sa trabaho. So susubukan, nag-drop by lang ako para mag-intro sa inyo. Ayan. So nakikita nyo sa likod ko, ayan po ang famous Patong Hill. Yan yung bundok na tatawirin ko papasok sa akin trabaho. Ayan, tingnan nyo po yung kanilang trademark na beach. Tapos yung walking street tuwing gabi na kung saan makikita mo rin yung maraming Pilipino na singers. Yan sila tumutugtog lahat. So tapos sa mga hotel yung iba. So ayun, kita-kita tayo mamaya. See you. Hindi na ano. First stop, dala natin yung armas natin palapit. Supply, jet. Ayan, ka-check-in. Presentable na ba? Yo! Yung ka-check-in. Pwede na, oh. Yeah. Tingnan natin sa salamin. Yung! The mess. Alright. Since guys, you're not busy, can you help me with my channel? Alright.
Is it for your page? Yes, Papa Jan.
Yeah, for my Facebook page.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Hello.
So how do you do?
Hello.
How do you do?
Mine.
Oh, this
Alay,
is
mine.
playing. Not
Yeah, no,
working
this is
today.
for my Facebook page. I will upload it later.
Oh no.
ใช่
อ๋อ you put later เหรอ
ใช่
ทำไมยูไม่ไลฟ์อ่ะ
Yeah, that's why I give you interview. So how can, what can you say?
Maybe not look good ใช่ไหม
You look good, na?
you
Good
not
แล้ว
filter คุ
Oh,
ณ
you
จ้า
look like ano na?
I beautiful ใช่ไหมคะ thank you
No, this is camera is too much filter.
because you not have
The filter is with top up ด้วย
ใช่
you don't have filter คุณจ้า
You look beautiful, man.
beautiful
In my
ค่ะ
camera.
yes
Say hi. Say
Say
tell them to
hi.
follow my page. Follow. Tell them to follow my Facebook
page,
page.
no?
Yes.
you เป็นดาราเหรอ
ใช่ Oh, my
my Facebook นะคะ
ทำไม my Facebook? Ayun, kalokohan nila. Hindi masyadong busy. It's not too busy today, so I just asked them to participate on my vlog for the day. Mga ka-check-in, ayan, tuma-timing tayo kung para sana makapag-content. Kaso hirap na hirap talaga ako makahanap ng content or makahanap ng time para makapag kahit saglit lang. Kasi masyadong busy. Pangit ng panahon ngayon dito. Yan, napakadilim. Yan siya, ayan o. Kita niyo po, sobrang dilim. Alas 5 pa lang. Dati alas 6 na rito, mag alas 6:30. Maano pa rin, maliwanag pa rin. Pero ngayon, sobrang dilim talaga. So ang pag-uwi niyan mamaya ay isang malaking problema na naman. Sobrang lamig kasi nakamotor lang tayo. Assalamualaikum. You need help, man? Had a card? Mafi card? Okay, I will open for you, okay? Hada for electric bus. Mapi show ko Lena. Give you one card sa? La. When in the check-in, we give you one card. Okay, Ana check, okay? Okay. Reception. Maayos na kwarto naman. Mabango. Yan. So, try natin. Tawagan natin yung list. Hello? Hi, ma'am. This is Jer speaking. Ma'am, you're planning to move room, right? Or you want to move room? And can I meet you in the 5th floor? In front of the elevator? He is downstairs? Oh, I see. Okay, I will call to reception to send him here. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I will show you a room, actually. Yes, ma'am. It's finished. No, no, no. No need, ma'am. I will call to reception and I will... Yes, yes. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye. By the way, eto dito sa backside. Ayan. Bago pumasok ng mga kwarto. Yeah, yeah. Very big.
Want
See?
food?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. You see here? So big. It's huge. You see? How we move? Ito na, laking bayawak. Mga ka-check-in, oh. Sa Pilipinas pa to, siguradong pulutan na to. Tapos ito naman yung city. Papunta na yan sa Patong. So, ganun pa man. Check out muna tayo. Hindi natin masyadong pahabain to kasi medyo busy rin ako. Siningit ko lang talaga habang nag-check ng kwarto. So, saka ako na lalagyan ng mga detalye yung pag-content natin dito sa hotel. Thank you so much and bye-bye. God bless everyone. Check in, check out.